Okay, we're gonna light our candle. I'm gonna use this because we don't have very many matches. Whoops. Hang on. And so, yeah, light your match. Okay, now move your match. Show Daddy how the smoke. There he goes. That was a good one. Did you get enough smoke there? Alright, good. Yeah. You can light that match. We'll do it again. I'll blow it out for you and you can relight it.
Whoa.
Alright. What's happening is the smoke, that was pretty good. The smoke is actually catching on fire from this match and bringing it right down to the wick that's hot. Oops. I don't have anywhere to strike this.
Whoa!
That's pretty cool. What do we have here? What's on this?
Water.
Water.
It's
and
nice, yummy Coke water.
And a candle.
Yeah.
And a cup, right?
Yeah, that's in my giant white cup.
Yep. What are we gonna see happen?
The water go up and the fire go out.
Yep. What happens first?
The fire goes out.
Okay. And why does the fire go out?
Because there's no water. And then the water
Just
goes
stick
out.
it all the way down. Yep. So the fire. Yep. The fire goes out. And look. Oh, that was a good one. You can see the water run right up there. And why does it do that?
I don't, because it's hot, so it lifts the water. Oh, it's trying to start fire again.
What is it looking for to get it to relight?
I was trying to pick the water up there and lifts the cup.
It's trying to bring air in, and the only thing it has is water, so it brings water in there. You want to do it again? We're using a lighter because we don't have anywhere to strike our matches.
I'm going to see. Look, it's going up a tiny bit.
Ooh, as soon as that candle goes out, you see it come right up there, don't you? If we had a light enough plate, you could actually pick the plate up with the cup.